Welcome to Zoomers RV of Wabash, Indiana. Today we are looking at the used 2017 Keystone RV Hideout 38FKTS. This travel trailer MSRPs at $37,418, but is available at the Zoomers low price of $23,900. It has 3 slides, weighs 9,228 pounds. It is 47 feet long. It sleeps 8 and has a bunkhouse and features a sliding glass door. Now let's look on the inside. So I entered in the door that goes to the bedroom. There's your wardrobe and drawers. It also leads to the bathroom. Here's your shower with a skylight. Your sink and mirrored medicine cabinet. Now the bathroom and the bedroom both have a door that leads to this hallway, and on your left is the bunkhouse. Next is the living area. Here's your TV. And your sofa. Cabinetry above. You have your sliding doors and another chair. And into the kitchen we have the U-Dinette. Here's the pantry space. More cabinetry. Your sink. Oven and burners. And microwave next to your fridge. If you are interested in this unit, contact us or inquire online at zoomersrv.com.